Hey, Ross here from LFS Marine Outdoor. June is here and that means a new month of Captain's Compass, our in-store and online sales campaign where we handpick a variety of products and put them on sale for the entire month to save you money. When you come in the store, look for the Captain's Compass flyer and end cap, which will show you all the hot buys for the month. June is Sparkle and Shine month, all about keeping your boat clean. The hot buys for June are this Tempress ProBax Orthopedic boat seat, Meguiar's marine cleaners and polishers, this Camco 40-foot coiled hose and spray nozzle kit, Sea Dog 3-sided boat brushes, and the 303 marine cleaners and protectants. Our featured hot buy for this month is the Tempress ProBax Orthopedic boat seat. The Tempress ProBax seat is the ultimate fusion of comfort, durability, and style for your boating adventures. Engineered with ProBax technology, this seat is designed to promote proper posture and alleviate pressure on your spine, ensuring maximum comfort during long days on the water. Hope to see you in the store this month, and make sure to check out Anchortech Sealants and Adhesives by Pettit, exclusively at LFS. And always, you can check out all the Captain's Compass savings on our website at gotomarine.com/captainscompass. Thanks for watching.